when this Carpinus orientalis came to me, it had lots of big cuts on it, and it's been quite a slow process of actually disguising those cuts by using carving. Now what I like to do is certainly on deciduous, is to actually make quite deep holes in the tree, and not really do any elaborate carving, because eventually this thing will rot away. Despite that, this wood is quite hard. So here you can see an area that I carved probably around maybe 3 years ago, something like that. It's beginning to callus really well. Also at the top here, there's a cut here. So there have been cuts all over the tree, including a big branch that was cut off here. We left the stub. The work I've just done today is here and here. But this is a really good time to repot this tree. So this is going to be our front, where you can see right now. And the pot I've got is really special. It's a really great pot. It's one that I bought probably 20 years ago for a hawthorn. The hawthorn eventually got moved on, but I really didn't want to sell the pot. So here's the soil mixture. It's really good, very open, pre-sieved, and I like that because it saves me a lot of work. It's as it says on the box, the back, 33, 33, 33. So that means there's 1% of angel dust in there or something like that. I don't know, something to make your trees grow. But this is a really nice open mixture, all pre-sieved, and that's what I'm going to be using throughout the whole mix of the planting. Let's get on and put that mesh into the pot, shall we?